Sup everybody. It's kind of cold out here. So today, well, I should say yesterday, I was trying to put wheels on my car and I got this far. They look pretty nice. What I did do was I snapped the old wheel stud off there. Great, right? So today I'm just going to show you how you're going to fix that. This is on my RS, so on the back of these they have the pull your rotor off, and got the old ABS ring back behind there, so you can see you can't just hammer out your wheel stud because it gets blocked. So gotta figure it. So what you gotta do, if you don't want to take a bunch of crap apart, is just pull this adjuster off the spring, and then I'm gonna rotate this stud so that it's down here, and then pull off the ABS ring. Just take these 4 loose, drop it down. It'll fall down enough so you can rotate this down to here, pop it out, push your new one up in. So
Need it, we get it.
alright, so we got the other end off the ground, so we can spin this. Let's see here. Spin it. And now we can push this out, and we're going to use this hammer punch thingy, pop it out, and put the new one in, and we'll be back. It's pretty self-explanatory. So alright guys, so this is what I was talking about. I got the ring off. Crappy view. So I got the ring off, it dropped down, and now down here, just trying to get like a, turn my flashlight on. There we go. See, I got the adjuster out. It's down here. Springs off to the side, and now the stud here has room to pop out. You can just move that forward then, and it'll come out from back here. Now comes the finagling part, and you're just gonna have to kind of play with it a little bit, put it back up in behind, and then kind of just gotta keep trying to, there it went. So then you get her in there. I got a little tool. It's just kind of goes around here. Make sure you don't knock her out of there. Stick her on there like such, and then it's gonna fall back out. So try over. There we go. And you should have enough room to get on there, which you will because of the concave section in there. Yep. And then you put your lug on, and out she pulls. Here we go. Okay. Alright, I'm back with the lug. I would laugh if I grabbed the one with the stud snapped off. bit weird, but okay. We're on. Alright guys, so that was probably a bad idea using a old lug. Threads suck. Probably don't want to do that. Put a new lug on there, went right on all the way tight, boom. So now I got my fancy little plastic thing so I don't ruin my wheels when I put it on there. I'm just gonna use that and yep, righty tighty. We'll make sure this goes on there and we don't stretch it out. She's tight, and you just back off. Off she comes. Put everything back together, and you got yourself a brand new wheel stud. So, hope that helps you guys, because this can be a little tricky. It's not the same as the front. The front doesn't have this, and then you get back here, and you're like, what the heck? So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, everything's back together. Got the old ring on there, and the adjuster and spring. So e-brakes back together, wheel studs in. Now all it is brakes, bracket back on, brakes, blah blah blah, and that's about it. So yeah, again guys, I'm gonna put this back together and make the video for the wheels after that. So thanks for watching.